Welcome back to this series of lectures on DIT and DIF FFT algorithms. In the previous lectures, we have seen the theoretical description of DIT and DIF algorithms. In this lecture, we will actually be looking on these steps by taking a numerical, so that we can understand these steps in a better fashion. So let us try to understand all these steps which we had seen further previously. These all steps, the basic butterfly structure and the signal flow graph with the help of a numerical. So suppose we are given a numerical like this. In this numerical it is asked like we are given a 8-point sequence. So this is our 8-point sequence 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. So this is our x of n. So n is equal to 8 here, and we are asked to compute the DFT of this sequence. We have to compute the 8-point DFT of this sequence using DIT FFT algorithm and DIF FFT algorithm. So this numerical has two parts. In the first part, we have to compute the DFT using DIT FFT algorithm, and in the second part, we have to again compute the DFT using DIF FFT algorithm. So, but see here, ultimately we are computing the DFT. So whether you compute by DIT FFT or DIF FFT, you have to get the same DFT. So DFT will not be different. So both the algorithms will produce the same output. That we will verify at the end of this numerical. So you can use any different algorithms, but you will get the same output. So let us start with this, the first step. So we are having the 8-point sequence here. Now how many will be the number of stages? I had told you that when the sequence is of 8 points, the number of stages is 3. When the sequence is 4 point, the number of stages is 2. And when the sequence is of 2 point, there is only one stage. So this how to compute how many number of stages are there. So there is a simple formula for this. We have to take the logarithm to the base 2 of n. So in this case our n is equal to 8. That's why the number of stages here we are going to get it as 3. Second step here is to compute the twiddle factors. Okay, so how to compute the twiddle factors? We require w at 0, so it is nothing but e raised to minus j. So minus j 2 pi 0 upon 8. This is the formula for twiddle factor. This twiddle factor, so e raised to 0 is 1, so this is 1. W at 1 we will get this. Now how to compute this e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8? By using Euler's identity. So cos theta minus j sin theta. So cos theta is this one, sin theta is this one. So you are getting 0.707 minus j 0.707. So this is w at 1. We compute w at 2, we compute w at 3. Now we are not computing these values w20, w this w40 and so on, because we will be using these values in place of those values, because we have seen that w80 is same as w20. Okay, so that's why we have reduced the number of computations. So after computing all these twiddle factors, now we will go to the next step, that is draw the butterfly structure. So now before drawing the butterfly structure, we have to write the input sequence. Now if you see here, the input sequence is in the bit reversed order. Okay, so that was our step number this thing. So decimate the given sequence and write the input in the bit reversed order. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is written as 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 7. So where here we are getting here at as 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 and 7. So what is the first sample? It is 1. So here it is 1. What is the fourth sample? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So 1, 4. So here it is 1. So first 1, then 4, and then 3, and then 2. 1, 4, 3, and 2. Okay. So 0, 4, 2, 6. So 0, 4, 2, and 6. So 1537. So 1537. So 1 is 2. 1 5. So x of 5 is how much? X of 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. X of 5 is 3. X of 3 and x of 7. So this is the bit reversed order of the sequence. So instead of giving the sequence in the normal order, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have to give in the bit reversed order, that is 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 7. So this is the index 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 7. This is the index. So see the index and take the corresponding sample. So here we are getting the samples as 1 4 3 2 2 3 4 1, but actually the samples are 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. So sample value we have to change as per the index. So this index x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6. So as per the index we have to take the sequence. So this is our input sequence now in the bit reversed order. Now this is our first butterfly structure. So this is a basic two point butterfly. But here in this 2-point butterfly, here there is a minus sign here. Okay, so here it is minus sign is not shown, but in the computation we are taking minus. Okay, so better is that always you show here a -1 sign, -1 like this. So at each butterfly you have to show a -1 here. Okay, for each butterfly. So wherever there is a butterfly, here it will be -1. So again here it will be -1, and for all these butterflies, okay, so here it will be -1. Again here it will be -1. Again here it will be -1, and here it will be -1. So for every butterfly you have to show -1 here, -1, and here it is -1. So now how to do the computation? Now the first stage output. So this is our first stage output. Okay, how this output is taken? So this is 1 plus 4. So we have seen that the output of this is simply this plus this. Now here, since W80 is 1, so it will be directly 1 plus 4. So we are getting the output as 5. So here it is a 1 minus 4. So you are getting the output as -3. Second, in this butterfly, this is 3 plus 2. So output is 5. 3 minus 2, the output is 1. Here 2 plus 3, the output is 5. Okay, 2 plus 3. So 2 minus 3, the output is -1. Next we are having 4 plus 1, we are getting it 5. 4 minus 1, so we are getting 3. So simply this is the simple calculation. So this is our first stage output. So whatever the outputs are getting, S10, S11, S12, S13, these are our first stage output. So in this graph, whatever these outputs are there, V110, V111, these are the first stage outputs. So these all first stage outputs here we are denoted by S10, S11, S12, and so on. So this is our first stage output. Now how to get the second stage output? Now similarly we have to now combine these two butterflies now. So this S10 plus S12 multiplied by W80. Since W80 is again 1, so this will be simple addition. So here we are getting 5 plus 1, 5 plus 5, so it is 10. And second, again S11 plus W80 now. So what is W82? So this is W82. So this butterfly we are considering. So when we are considering this butterfly, so S11 plus S13 into W82. So W82 we have computed here in our calculation. So W82 is equal to minus J. So that's why our output will be -3, which is S11 plus of minus J. So the answer is -3 minus J. Okay. So similarly you can compute the S22, then S23, and so on. So while computing this, be careful about the butterfly structure. So this is your butterfly, this is your first butterfly, this is your second butterfly, this is your third butterfly, this is your fourth butterfly. So please consider the butterfly very carefully and see the input to the butterfly, the twiddle factor, and the minus sign here. So when you consider all these, you will get the proper outputs here. So once you get all these outputs, now we have to go to the final stage. So final stage again, so this is our first butterfly, this is second butterfly, this is third butterfly, and this is fourth butterfly. So these are the inputs of the first butterfly. Okay, then this is the input of the second butterfly, and so on. So you have to combine these butterflies with these twiddle factors. So W80, W81, W82, W83, and here it is minus. So once there will be addition, so once there will be addition, so these are the addition, and then there will be subtraction. So addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction. So once you compute all these values, okay, for the second stage, so these are additions, 4 additions and 4 subtractions. So once you do all these additions and these subtractions, so four additions will be there, 1 2 3 4, and 4 subtractions, 1 2 3 4. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we will get the output 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then you can tabulate all these outputs like this. So this is your final x of k, which is the combination of all this. So you are getting the output here 0. So it is in the bit reversed order, so write in the normal order. So this is x of 1, x of 2, and so on.